What are you guys doing up?
Last night we stayed up until 4 o'clock in the morning.
Doing what?
Doing nothing.
Nothing?
My free PC.
Free PC. You guys went to free PC?
She has internet.
Oh, so you're saying that she has free PC. Oh.
Oh my freaking god.
What's up with this? You need this?
He's gonna eat it.
Holy shit.
What a dumbass.
You got what?
You know, 4 o'clock in the morning.
Good luck, dude.
12. Where is it like?